Welcome to the Excel Presto installation video. The installation process has several steps, but if you follow along with this video, it is very simple. As a quick overview, first thing you need to do is move 3 files from the folder that you downloaded into the Excel add-ins folder. Second, Excel needs to be told to load Excel Presto. And third, a few security settings need to be adjusted. And that's it. Whether you downloaded the trial version or if you went ahead and purchased the full version, these steps are basically the same. You're going to get a file sent to you, or you're going to get a link to a file that's a zip file. And what you want to do is go ahead and extract the folder that's in that file. Here I'm just going to open up the zip file and then just take it and move it to my desktop. Here we're going to go ahead and open this, and here's the 3 files that we need to move to the Excel add-ins folder. This BAT file will actually move these files for you to the right location, and you won't have to do anything other than click here. You might get a security warning. Go ahead and bypass any security warnings that ask you to do anything. So here it says Windows protected your PC. Just click on More Info and click Run Anyway. And it's going to go ahead and move those files right over. And that's it for moving the files over. Next, you'll want to go ahead and open Excel. Now that you have Excel open, I went ahead and opened up a blank file here just so I can easily access the file part here. Then you want to go down to something that says Options. Go ahead and click File, Options, and it'll go ahead and bring up this menu for you. Over here in the left pane, there's something called Add-ins. So you want to go ahead and click on that, and then look down here and make sure that next to Manage it says Excel Add-ins. Then click Go. Now, if you did the process where you moved the files over correctly and you had Excel closed when you did that, it's going to go ahead and say Presto right here. So you want to go ahead and check that. Also, while we're right here, we're going to do something for the security settings. So click Browse, and then go ahead and highlight that path that's in the ribbon. So what we want to do is get your username from that and the whole path there. So I'm going to hit Control-C to just copy that. Okay, so we're done here. We can just hit Cancel out of this, and then click OK. So now it's going to go ahead and tell me if I want to evaluate or if I want to go ahead and activate. If you have your activation stuff, you can go ahead and click through to this and enter in your license ID and your password, or if you just want to evaluate it for the next 30 days, just go ahead and click evaluate. Or if you want to go ahead and purchase, it'll direct you to the store there. So I'm going to go ahead and click evaluate for now. So now that I got a Presto open here, I want to change some security settings. This might not work properly if you don't have the right security settings. So go ahead and click File again and go to Options and go to Trust Center. And then over here there's this little button called Trust Center Settings. You want to go ahead and click on that. And it's going to open up this window. We're going to be adjusting 2 of these here on the side. So the first one we're going to do is adjust macro settings. So you want to make sure here it says Enable all macros. That will go ahead and allow everything in Excel Presto to run, and then go ahead and click this Trust Access to the VBA Project Object Model. So once those 2 things are adjusted, then you want to go ahead and click on Trusted Locations. Click Add New Location, and then go ahead and paste Control-V, that path that we had earlier. So once that's done, just click OK. I already have this path here, so I'm just going to cancel all that. You're going to click OK. Click OK again, click OK again, and then Excel Presto should be up and running. You shouldn't have any issues from here on out. And that's it. That's how to install Excel Presto. Hope you enjoy.